welcome back. Welcome to this new video. In this new video I'm going to be showing you product images, product pictures. So why are so important and why you need to get this part right in order to get sales, okay? So with your pictures is when you're going to convert into sales. So I have here 3 examples of what's good, what's bad. So I'm going to tell you, first of all, let's start of why product pictures are so important. Okay, so they show your product, they show your quality. If your product is a good product, you need to show that with your pictures, okay? So this is a way to make people buy your product. You keep in mind that when customers buy on Amazon, they cannot touch the product, they cannot physically see it and touch the quality, the materials they can. So you need to express this in the pictures. It's not like going to a shop and have the item in your hand. So the only way we have is with pictures, okay? So we're gonna show them the benefits of our product in the pictures. We going to tell them in the pictures all these what we said here on the bullet points. Don't rely on customers reading the bullet points, because let's say 80 to 90% of Amazon customers don't read here, okay, on the bullet points when you tell them all the benefits and features. So we need to put this in the pictures. Let's go. So we have here this listing that is quite good. I'm going to show you first what's good, and then we're going to go to what's bad. First of all, in order to know what's good, you need to understand what type of pictures you need to put on your listing. So first of all, the first picture is your hero picture. Okay, the hero picture is really important because you need to attract the attention of the customer. So customers are scrolling down and they see your listing, they need to click on it. So your first picture, they need to be attractive to attract the click, attract people to click in your listing. Then it needs to be a good quality picture, and Amazon, it has some requirements for the hero picture that is your first picture. One of the requirements is to have to be on a white background, like we can see it here. It cannot be also nothing written, no logos and no words written on the first picture. So again, hero picture, extremely important to attract customers to your listing. A good hero picture following the Amazon criteria. If you don't follow Amazon criteria, your listing is going to be suppressed. Yeah, they're going to bring your listing down and you're not going to be able to sell until you fix this picture. So hero picture, one type of picture. We move on to the second type of picture, and this is infographics. What are infographics? Infographics are pictures that it shows also the benefit of the product written in words. Yeah, in this case we have this bamboo mug that is eco-friendly and is drip free, and they're telling us here what it does. It's telling us here you have this sleeve so you don't burn yourself, made of silicone, and it's telling us here also it's branded with a logo there, so it looks professional. We keep going. More infographics. Infographics, remember, are the photos and showing us the benefits and the features of the product. Okay, you will say, oh, I got this on my bullet points. No, you need to have it in your bullet points, of course, but also you need to have it on your photos. Some people don't read the bullet points, so you need to have it in your photos. In your photos, you need to tell them the story, so at the end, when they have seen all the photos, they are convinced to buy your product. Yeah, so we're gonna tell them how big it is. In this case, they're telling us 450 ml. It's a travel mug, so if you want to know how big is it, there you go. You have it here. You want to know if it's eco-friendly? Yes, it is. It tells you here. Spill-proof, perfect for on the go, handles hot and cold. Yeah, so this is a good listing with good photos. Yeah, then you have lifestyle pictures. Lifestyle pictures are pictures showing the product in use. Yeah, someone using the product, like in this case, they're in the snow, they're going for a walk, and it shows that this mug keeps the drinks hot. Okay, So it tells us here also, they have a small infographics telling us that they keep drinks warm for longer. More infographics. Remember, infographics are pictures with the product in use. Okay, so these two young guys walking around, happy, with the mug in their hands, having a drink, and we have here easy to carry on the go, so you can take it with you. We keep going. More lifestyle pictures, fantastic. This you can use in your office, when you work from home, any type of environment this can be used. Okay, and it shows us here how it looks next to the computer, so more or less we can see how big it is. Right, use at home or in the office. Lifestyle picture with someone using the product with the logo of the company in the pictures, so it looks branded, it looks professional. Okay, remember, in your hero picture you cannot do that, you cannot put the logo. You can have the logo in the product, yeah, but not on the picture. Okay, so the hero picture is just a white background picture. We carry on, lifestyle, and then at the end they finish with another infographic telling us exactly the size of the product to avoid any confusions. Yeah, very clear. They're doing a good job, and after we've seen all these pictures, we are convinced that this is a good product, that it covers all our necessities, what we want it for. There you go, they're telling us, they're showing us how the product is in use. And now I'm going to show you a listing that is not so good. Okay, so now you guys know what we're looking for. We're looking for a good hero picture. So this is the first picture they have. You know, they show the product, but they're not following Amazon criteria. Amazon criteria says that it's a white background, so this listing can be taken down at any time. Okay, Amazon can suppress this listing anytime. That's it. They're not going to make any more sales until they fix the problem. Right? Maybe they don't know. Maybe they are new. We don't know. Okay, so hero picture, no good. We're looking for some infographics, and what we found this. Some people doing surf. I don't know what has to do with the product, because you cannot take this product to the water, so I don't get it. They're not telling us here was the size, any benefits of the product, what material is made. It's not telling us anything. We have here some lifestyle pictures, and maybe they're not bad, but they're not telling us the benefits of the product. They're relying on customers reading the bullet points, and I'm going to tell you, customers, they go like this, they flip through the pictures quickly and they don't read. So make sure you don't do this, and you tell the customer all the benefits of your product with your pictures. Okay, this product actually looks quite good, you know, but with the pictures they're not doing a good job at all. Same again, same type of pictures, same type of product, pictures are not good. Hero picture, and what we get, a picture of 3 mugs, not with white background, so it can, this listing can be suppressed straight away. And it's a bit of confusion here, because it's telling us here on the title, one piece pink travel portable pink green polka dot. So what color are we getting? We're getting the pink, we're getting the green. Here also it says one piece coffee, so I cannot choose color. I don't know which one I will get. So extremely confusing. Don't do that. Be clear with your customers. We're moving on, looking for any infographics. We don't know what material this is made. We don't know, this is silicone. We don't know if our drinks they're gonna be hot, cold, nothing. They're not telling us anything. They show here some lifestyle picture, but this mug looks really big comparing to this laptop, so they're not expressing that either. Remember, lifestyle pictures has to show the product in use. We have this, say no more, you know. I don't have to tell you guys, you can tell straight away that this is not good product images. Yeah, they could have been putting it here, easy to clean, easy to take on the go, premium silicone, this is the size of this product. No, they're not telling us nothing. So obviously this reflects on sales. Remember, don't do this. Remember, don't do this. Don't put things that makes no sense with the product, and tell customers what they're getting. Yeah, this is the pictures that we want to get, explaining, yeah, showing clearly what it is. And then you have here variations. As you can see, they change the color, they change the color on the pictures here too to make it nicer. So that tells you they put effort on the pictures, and you more likely, any will be more likely to buy this product than all the others, as they show all the benefits. Okay, so guys, one of the biggest mistakes that everybody makes, or lots of new sellers they make, is they try to save cost on photos. Don't try to save cost on photos. Spend the necessary money that you need to spend to get good quality photos with infographics, with lifestyle pictures, and with everything explained in your photos. Okay, don't try to save money on photos. No, spend your money on photos. I cannot say this enough. Yeah, it pays off. Photos means sales. Good photos, good infographics, good lifestyle pictures. Anyway, I hope you find value in this video, and I hope you have learned, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.